Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us, and sorry for the delay. My name is Loris Caruana. I work as a support agent and trainer, and I will be the presenter of this session. Today's focus will be on database content that you, as users, may not be fully aware of. What are utility models? How do I search for designs? And what is included in the non-patent literature? These are some of the most recurrent questions from our end users when it comes to data outside invention patents. We will answer them during this presentation. As we usually do with webinars, the recording of this session, along with the support material, will be sent to you in the following days. Your microphones are all on mute, but feel free to post your questions in the Q&A box, and we will deal with them at the end of the presentation. Let's start on why use Orbit Intelligence. Orbit Intelligence is a leading global IP business intelligence software dedicated to patent research and analysis. The platform is trusted by more than 100,000 users and delivers access to the largest accurate patent database and scientific literature database. Its technology helps top management, IP specialists, and legal professionals turn data into actionable insights to solve their strategic questions. Today, we will walk through those questions. What does Orbit Intelligence database contain? What are utility models? How can I identify or isolate them? How to search for designs in patent database or in the designs module? What is inside NPL and how to access it? Our aim is to make your searches smarter and quicker, and as you will see, it is easy to achieve it. First of all, what does Orbit Intelligence database contain? The FAMPAT database, which is the default patent family database, contains mainly patents, but also utility models and some designs. The optional designs module also gives access to a dedicated designs database. Orbit Intelligence also contains some non-patent literature, retrieved from various sources that we'll be detailing later. You can find Orbit coverage details from the user menu on the top right of your interface. Let's now focus on utility models. What are they and how can you identify or isolate them? Per WIPO's definition, in some countries, a utility model system provides protection of so-called minor inventions through a system similar to the patent system. Recognizing that minor improvements of existing products, which does not fulfill the patentability requirements, may have an important role in a local innovation system. Utility models protect such inventions through granting an exclusive right, which allows the right holder to prevent others from commercially using the protected invention without its authorization for a limited period of time. In general, compared with patents, utility model systems require compliance with less restringent requirements. For example, lower level of inventive step, have simpler procedures, and offer shorter time of protection, usually between 7 and 10 years. Designed primarily to respond to the needs of local innovators, requirements and procedures for obtaining protection and the duration of protection vary from one country to another. You can, of course, find out more on WIPO's website. Now, why would you wish to isolate utility models? First, let us remind that these utility models do provide protection. They also, as any other published material, are part of prior art. Therefore, it would be a dangerous thing to try and exclude them from prior art searches, freedom to trade operators, competitors' watches. Yet, The request to identify and exclude them is often made by our end users, who may want to analyze them separately from classical invention patterns. In some cases, providing two sets of analysis, one with and the second without utility models, will obviously change the global view of a market. In our example, we ran a broad search on digital tablets patents that were published since year 2000. Then we ran an analysis on the market where the protection applies. As you can see here, the major protection country is China. Then, if you remove Chinese utility models from your search, you can see that major protection country is now the US. Once again, in terms of analysis of the type of protection granted, this is enlightening. So, how can you isolate the utility models? Utility models can be identified via their kind codes. These kind codes differ following the countries and may vary over time. The list of kind codes is once again made available on our coverage page. An example, for China, the utility model kind code was Y and is now U. Following our example, to exclude Chinese utility models from our search results, you can see in command line, you can use, in command line of your search history, not, and in brackets, SNU plus /PN or SNY plus /PN, where PN stands for publication number. Note well, if you are using the default family database FAMPAT, this query would exclude any family that contains at least one utility model. To avoid that, you can limit the exclusion by adding a restriction on NPN equal 1. NPN is the field of number of patents in the family. This way, you make sure to exclude only families that contain an isolated utility model, and not a utility model and an invention patent application at the same time. So this is the full query. Maybe it's worth to add that if you're searching inside FullPath, which is the jurisdiction database, it won't be necessary to add this restriction on NPN. The same logic may be applied for any country. Therefore, first check the relevant kind codes and search or exclude the specific utility models. Our software also reminds of the application status, as can be seen on the Preview tab. Here we can see Registered Utility Model. Second focus, what about designs? Where do we find them and how to search for them? What is good to know is that some national offices provide us with designs along with patents. These designs are thus part of our global FAMPAT patent database, in which case the process to search or exclude them is exactly the same as seen previously with utility models. An example with US designs for which the kind codes are S or D. The query would be USS plus or USD plus /PN to search them, not USS plus or USD plus /PN to exclude them. Note well, contrary to utility models, it is not necessary here to restrict the exclusion to families with only one member. This is because designs are per definition not to be found inside patent families. You can find more information on our new knowledge base article. This knowledge base is now accessible via the Help widget. You can see the question mark icon on the bottom left of the interface. You can click on it to access the help widget and find out relevant articles. Now, if you often need to search for designs, Orbit Intelligence also offers a comprehensive module with a dedicated designs database. This module is available on subscription and can be accessed under the patent search. As you can see from the first screenshot on the right of your screen. There are two searching interfaces available: Quick Search and Advanced Search. The Quick Search section allows you to search by title, that is to say by keyword. You can create your own query using keywords, truncators, and operators to search in the title field. In the absence of other truncations, the plus truncation will automatically be placed to the left and right of your keywords. A comma separating two keywords will be replaced by the operator OR. In case there are no other operators, the operator 9D is automatically replaced between two words separated with a space. Once again, we remind you that you can find more on our new knowledge base. You can also search for Locarno classifications available for all patent offices except for Canada, or national classification from the Canadian, French, Japanese, Korean, British, and US patent offices. Here, in the absence of other truncations, the plus truncation will automatically be placed to the left and right of your input. A comma between two classification codes will be replaced by the O operator. A space between two classification codes will be replaced by the AND operator. Of course, owner names and numbers, application, registration, priority can also be used as search criteria. It's maybe worth it to say that as for patents, non-Latin characters like Russian, Japanese, Korean, and Chinese are supported. Instead, the advanced search provides more specific options, including publication country. 64 countries are currently covered. We won't be reviewing now all the peculiarities, but let us remind you that the slides will be sent to you along with the recording, so that you can take the time to review them. For those interested in trademarks, please be informed that a design database is also available in Questel Software Orbit Trademark. Finally, we get to the third and last point of this session: what is inside non-patent literature, NPL, and how to access it. You need to know that NPL is a recent addition in Orbit Intelligence. You can access results found in our non-patent literature database, also referred to as NPL. To access this new content, you simply have to click the non-patent literature tab in your results set. At the bottom of this slide, we have added here a link to our news page, where you can find our publication on this new functionality. So, how are the NPL search results generated? Orbit Intelligence carries out an automatic search in the NPL collection. There are two different scenarios. The first one, if your patent search query contains keywords, the automatic search on NPL will use the same keywords to search the NPL collection. The keywords are searched in the title, abstract, and keyword section within the MPL. As you can see here in the screenshot, is circled the hint. Now the second scenario, if your patent search query does not contain keywords, for example, a search on an applicant name, or if you are displaying a saved list, the search engine will carry out a similarity search based on the content of a dataset. It's to be noted that if ever a keyword patent search query did generate 0 hits in NPL, then NPL results will be generated via a similarity search. As this is a recent addition, we are now using its first version. In time, this will evolve as we get users' enhancement requests and take time to implement the most required options. The first upcoming evolution will be the addition of a dedicated filter by MPL type, such as filters on article, clinical trial, etc. And then a filter by date. We don't have a date yet to provide, but let's just keep in mind that this tool will definitely evolve. The big questions that arises is what inside NPL? Several users sent this query to our help desk. Questel NPL archive is updated bi-monthly. As of today, it includes 150 million publications from more than 50,000 journals and reviews, and more than 50 document types such as journal articles, conferences, theses, etc. The main data sources are Crossref, PubMed, DOAJ, Arxiv, Pascal Francis, and more than 200 targeted archives and university repositories. It is also multisectoral: life science, chemicals, environment, computer science, etc. There are also more than 300,000 clinical trials, interventional and observational studies from clinicaltrials.gov. You can even find more than 200,000 grants and collaborative projects, European framework programs for research and innovation, and American projects. Here again as well, the evolution is permanent. This database grows over time in order to cover always more useful NPL data worldwide. It's good to know that the NPL coverage is the same as can be found in our innovation intelligence software called Orbit Insight. Orbit Insight is the new name of our Orbit innovation tool. Okay, the presentation has come to an end, and I hope that these tips and tricks will help you to better target your researches and reviews. At any time, you can contact me or my colleagues from Helpdesk at help@questel.com.